Then there are large number of kilns, mainly steam heated kiln, solar drying kiln, dehumidifier kiln, high temperature drying kiln, vacuum kiln. And fortunately, we at wood seasoning branch in FRI have all of them in one form or the other. Solar kilns, we have three solar kilns we have, two vacuum kilns we have, and steam heated kilns are there, but we are not able to towards both the surfaces very gradually, and temperature helps them to move faster. But as I told that there should be optimum, there is a word optimum means neither more nor less. So this optimum temperature is given in schedule, which is guide chart for kiln drying. So with the help of schedule, we season the wood. So this is basic principle. Now heat creation mechanism is different in different woods. As steam heated kiln, the heat creation will be done with the help of superheated steam. Now superheated steam will be generated with steam boiler. So this steam heated kiln will have a chamber wherein we can keep our wood to be dried, stack it, and there will be some little away, there will be a structure, this iron structure, which is known as boiler, where superheated steam will be created with the help of fuel or some type of fuel, and this pressurized superheated kiln steam will be sent inside the kiln chamber with the help of enclosed pipe with the and where radiators are there, heat radiation is there. Similarly, solar kiln, as the name suggests, the heat is generated with the help of solar energy. Then dehumidifier kiln, this is electrically operated kiln, very slower than steam heated kiln, but energy saving, because once energy temperature is achieved at 50 degrees centigrade, the auto cut switches off, and the this temperature is maintained for very long duration inside the kiln. So it is energy saving kiln, dehumidifier kiln. One dehumidifier kiln I installed at IWST. I don't know whether it is being used or not. Just above new building, there is a just in the new building where you are sitting nowadays, there is this big hall type thing. There is that the containerized version of this seasoning kiln is kept. So dehumidifier kiln can be used there. Then high temperature drying kiln we have here, very small one, which we used for developing drying schedules for this poplar wood. Then vacuum kiln, we have two types of vacuum kiln, and I would like to inform that one vacuum kiln I myself developed, designed, and then get it fabricated, and I did my whole PhD in that kiln and published some papers, and now this kiln has been patented. A patent I got in 8 years of hard work. I got this patent. Now we are in the process of finding suitable clients, and we want to sell it. Then radio frequency and microwave drying kiln has been procured by Dr. Sherin recently, which is being installed at wood seasoning branch at FRI, and we will work on it. This thing. These are the photographs of a kiln which I installed at this JNK. Nowshera is a place 17 kilometers away from this Srinagar, which is capital of JNK. There two chambers. Each chamber is of 5 CFT, and these are the windows, servicing windows and chambers. These are the shafts of this fans which are inside. I will show you. And these are the motors, electric motors, and these fans are fully reversible fans. And this is the floor where we keep, and this is the inspection door through which the kiln operator goes inside on daily basis. And the front door is known as charging door, which is once stag is kept is closed completely. This is the false ceiling inside a steam heated kiln. So what I am showing you is the structure of steam heated kiln, how it looks. This is the above iron girder. This foil ceiling is there, planks are there. These are the closed pipes where fins are there to radiate maximum heat inside the kiln. That is how the temperature is maintained. And these two pipes, which are not finned pipes, these are having fine perforations. इसमें छोटे-छोटे छेद हैं, fine perforations. So whenever we want to increase the RH, the walls behind this door are behind this wall are there are walls, control walls. We can open them, and then steam will come, live steam will come inside the kilns, and RH will increase. And if we want to increase the temperature without RH, we will close the wall so that direct steam will not come. But steam will pass through, pressurized steam will pass through these enclosed pipes, and these fins will radiate the heat. And with the help of fans which are above this false ceiling, the warm air comes in this direction, goes through the stack and goes above like that. Next 4 hours, warm air will come from here anti-clockwise and goes through the stack and again goes above. So this process goes on clockwise and anti-clockwise every 4 hours to equalize the drying process. Just see, this is the drainage through which condensed water comes out and fresh air can be taken inside after some time. These are the control valves controlling for temperature, RH. This is the live steam valve. This is the heat. This is the pressure gauge of steam. And these are these fully reversible blades which are made of aluminum so that corrosion doesn't take place. And 12 bladed are there. 12 blades are there. And these are the shafts which are going out, and the motor is kept outside. These are fully reversible in the sense that when they move anti-clockwise, they throw the air. When they move clockwise, they suck the air. So there are 3 fans. 2 fans are shown. 1 fan is here somewhere. And these are the fin, this thing. And on the top of kiln, there are chimneys with lids. And with the help of guy wire, a steel wire is connected through pulleys, and the lid of the chimneys can be opened nicely so that the moist air can be escaped. This is photograph of our electrically heated kiln, which we ourselves has fabricated here, and this thing. Then this is dehumidifier kiln. Now we have removed this and new one has come. Then solar kiln is cost effective because in the sense that it is the drying cost here is almost say 1/3 of steam heated kiln, but it is slower compared to steam heated kiln because it works for 9 months only, and in the night there is no temperature. So we have been working to increase the temperature in the night time also, and Dr. Selene has worked on it and using phase change material. So his device stores heat during the daytime. Extra heat which is not required during the daytime is stored, and after sunset this stored heat is radiated inside the kiln so that the temperature is maintained up to midnight or early morning hours inside the kiln in the night, and the total drying time decreases. So this has become 2nd generation. Then 3rd generation kiln also we are working. So I think that this is sufficient for you people. This is a photograph of the solar kiln where this is oriented towards east and west lengthwise, and this slant is towards south, and this angle of slant is 0.9 times the latitude of that area where we erect this kiln. So these are the windows which we open for taking fresh air, and north side there are also windows on the top for exhaust purpose. And the fans you can see, you are able to see the fans, and with the help of these fans driven by electricity, and heat is created by solar energy, and we can season the wood nicely. This is another solar kiln wherein we have used masonry work up to here. This maintains the temperature up to 9 to 10 p.m. after sunset because of these masonry work, this radiates heat. And during this venting operation, the air which comes through the chimneys, which we have kept instead of this thing, these are blackened ones. So the cold air gets heated and comes inside with some more temperature so that heat losses are compensated. This is our 3rd generation kiln wherein phase change material has been used inside these pipes, which gets the liquid form during daytime, and after sunset it will solidify and release the heat which is transferred to this chamber, solar chamber, wherein wood is kept and seasoned nicely. This is my patented photograph of my patented kiln, steam heated kiln, which is known as now FRA vacuum kiln, patented now, where we can season any wood. Say if a wood takes some 15 days to season inside the steam heated kiln, Here it will take maximum 4 to 5 days and no emissions will be there. But only thing that here we cannot keep more than 200 CFT at a time because this is the limitation. Whereas in steam heated kiln, we can keep 500 to 1000 CFT to 2000 CFT at a time. So this is the limitation of vacuum kiln. Otherwise, it is very fast and very efficient, and drying cost is half of the steam heated kiln. So I will stop here.